Oh, frick yeah, I'm so freaking good at this game. Man, I'm the Yeah!
Shut up, Abby. You're being
Yeah,
so
whatever,
rude.
you're an idiot. What's up, Big Bird? Yo, what's good, guys? Why don't you come and play COD with me? Oh, we can't because we're gonna go to Vernal to go pick up these guys' stuff. Oh, really? Yeah, these guys won't stop shutting up about their stuff that they left behind. What? I need my stuff. Yeah, me too. What? You literally have nothing valuable. What about you? Well, I have my jewelry, my laptop, my other phones, and my old photographs. Whatever. Haha, idiot. Alright. Yeah, and we were wondering if you would like to go. Yeah, all the Sesame Street characters are going. Oh, no, I'm fine. I'd rather stay here and play video games. Okay. Well, no, Big Bird, please go. Shut up. Okay, Big Bird, we're gonna go now. There's food in the refrigerator, okay? Goodbye. See you, Big Bird. We're gonna play COD later, okay? Goodbye. Yeah, goodbye, you stupid idiot. Oh, whatever. What a miserable day. I know, right? Yeah, stupid mystery won't stop giving us homework. Yeah, I don't want to go to school anymore because I feel nervous seeing my crush. You feel nervous seeing her? I'm pretty sure she likes you. Just look at the way she looks at you and stuff. Yeah. Well, that's why I'm nervous. I just want to look as perfect as possible. Whatever. All I want to do right now is just play video games. I know, right? That's all. Yeah, let's go do that. Yeah. You said it. Let's go. Yeah. Oh, frick yeah. Oh, frick yeah. Yeah, take that. Oh, frick yeah. Crap, he's already using the Xbox. Oh, crap. No! Man, get out of the way, you dumb kids. Can't you see I'm playing COD, my favorite game? Hey, Big Bird, can you let us play video games? Well, it's been a long day, and, we're very tired, so, we will really appreciate it if you would let us. What? No, I was here first. Screw off. Oh, come on, Big Bird. Yeah, come on. Yeah, Big Bird, please. We have to wake up early to go to school, and we're just very tired. Yeah, and all you do is just sit here playing video games all day. So now it's our turn. Man, shut up, stupid sideboy with your stupid, squiggly, whatever, weird voice. I was here first, okay? And I'm the adult. So, pretty much you guys do what I say. So, yeah, scram. Oh, but please, we're very tired. Oh yeah? Well, if you're very tired, then just take a rest, take a nap, not play video games. Ugh, leave! Wait, you know what, Big Bird? Stop. We don't need any problems. Wait, no, Big Bird, if you don't let us, we're gonna beat you up. Yeah, we're gonna beat you up. Yeah, I'm down. Are you kidding me? Y'all are kids with a stupid fat ugly bear and its girlfriend pet, and the stupid hawk, whatever, and then the little gay Mario son. Oh, come on, guys. It's me, Big Bird. I'm like cool and stuff. Like, you guys should be scared. Oh yeah, well guess what? I'm gonna show you that I ain't scared and that I can beat you up. Let's go, guys. Come on. Hey. Oh yeah. And don't come back before I turn you into some KFC. Oh. Dumb bird. Did you give it to him, Teddy Bear? Oh yeah, he did. He ain't nothing. Yay, great. So now we can play. We sure can. But let's go play up in a bunk bed. And let's go invite our other friends. Heck yeah, let's go, let's go. Dumb bird. Kill him, Daniela, kill him. Yeah, kill him. No, can you beat him, Teddy Bear? No. Go, Teddy Bear. No, Daniela, kill him. Yeah. Kill her, Teddy Bear. You almost got her. I almost got you, No, you don't. Yeah, I did. Oh, look, I just killed you.
Oh, come on, Daniela. Dad. Oh, yeah, Teddy Bear, yeah.
Whatever, Teddy Bear. You want to stop camping? Ha ha ha. Having fun, eh? Well, guess what? Not for long. Stupid kids. I'm going to kill them. No one plays video games except me, Bert, and Ernie. Oh, come on, Big Bird. Think. What can I do to scare them? Oh, what? Wait. Is that what I think it is? Oh my goodness. Is this a circuit breaker? It is. Okay, I have a plan now. Okay, I'm going to turn off all the lights from this house, and I'm just going to scare them, and then kill them. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna turn off all these now. Crap, a power outage.
Oh yeah, we just noticed. Just shut up.
Yeah, just shut up.
What happened?
I don't know. Hey, Teddy Bear. Yeah. But hey, you have your flashlight with you? Yeah, I have it here somewhere. What? Find it.
Oh, but hurry
Hurry
up,
up, dude.
It's right here. Here.
Are you okay, Teddy Bear? You seem kind of scared.
Yeah, Teddy Bear, are you alright? Yeah, I'm fine. I'm just a bit worried, you know. Maybe this was done on purpose, you know.
I know, right? It was probably some teenagers pulling a prank or something.
Yeah, you're right, Daniela. This usually never happens. Okay, so what are we gonna do? I don't know, Martin. I guess we just sit here until the light comes back. Doesn't seem like a bad idea to me.
Me too.
Oh, come on. Don't fail me. Hey.
Oh, no.
Guys. It won't turn on. What? It won't turn on.
Crap.
Oh,
we're
Oh,
screwed.
no. Oh, crap, guys. I'm getting kind of scared.
Me too.
Yeah, same
I need
here.
the flashlight. This just doesn't work. Like,
Oh, hurry up, dude.
Sackboy, let him
shut up.
concentrate.
Guys, shut up. Just please let me concentrate. I'm losing patience. Please.
Ah.
Come on. What was that noise?
Oh, what was that?
What was that?
What was that noise?
I don't know, man.
What the heck?
I'm scared.
Here is.
What's good?
You wimps, calm down. It's just me. What? Tigrillo? What was good? Man, Tigrillo, what are you doing
What are you
here?
doing here? Get out of
What are you
here.
doing here? Yeah,
Leave,
just
leave.
leave, dude. Like, you're a bully.
Yeah.
Calm down, guys. Look, I know I'm not part of your friend group. I was just wondering what's happening right now. Tigrillo, it's a power outage. A power outage? There's no way. If you look outside, you're gonna see that all the houses have lights. I don't know if I should believe you. Don't worry, Teddy Bear. I'll go check. Oh, freaking diggity. I hope he's not lying. What the heck? Wait, the house has light. Oh no. Teddy Bear! I don't know. I still don't really believe you, dude. Teddy Bear. Diggity is right. There's a neighboring house that has light. Oh, are you kidding me? What? Oh my goodness. So someone must have just turned off all the lights on this house. Yeah, I think that's what happened. Yeah. Ah.
Crap, so now...
What happened? What happened? Guys, my flashlight is malfunctioning. I think I don't have any more batteries on it.
not
Turn
again.
it on, turn on. Dude, be quiet. It doesn't work.
Oh yeah, this time.
Yep.
What was that?
What
What was that? What was that?
There was some light.
I know, right?
Oh my goodness. What was that? I don't know, man. That was so weird. Did you guys see that?
Yeah,
Did
we
you guys
saw
see
that. We saw that.
What was that?
Oh,
What was that? What the heck?
What the heck?
No, I'm starting to feel a bit scared. What was that? What was that? I'm starting to feel a bit scared. What the? Don't get off us! Yeah, get off us! You're making things worse. No, guys, I'm very terrified right now. Get off us, dude!
Get off us, man.
No,
Leave.
I'm scared. What is that? Dude, try to turn on the flashlight.
Yeah, Teddy Bear.
Okay. What the heck?
Hurry up. Shh.
What the heck?
Come on, come on.
What the heck?
Hello.
Rosalina, is that you?
Yeah, it's me. Itch.
Oh, so it was you who made that weird noise. Yeah.
Yeah, I've been having a bit of allergies lately.
Oh. Crybabies. Well, no, you're the crybaby. Yeah, you were crying too.
Yeah, you were screaming.
Yeah, dude.
Shut up, guys. I'm the man here, okay? Whatever.
So, do you guys know what's happening?
Oh, what? Say it louder. We can't hear you, you stupid shy girl. Don't
Don't
say
be
that. That's
mean, man.
Yeah.
Do you guys know what's happening?
It's a power outage, Rosalina.
Really, that's what we think.
What? Well, I guess. Well, we don't really know what's happening. I'm guessing like the circuit breaker, like one of the switches, like turned off or something.
Oh, well, if y'all want, I can go and check.
Yeah.
Yeah,
we
do
would
that.
like for you to do that. Yeah, we're a bit scared.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go do that.
Great.
Alright, let me check this. Let's see, which one is it? Come on, which one is it?
Ah! Oh! Yeah, I got you. Yeah, I got you now. Shut up, shh, before I kill you. Oh my goodness, where's Rosalina?
I know, right? It's been like 10 minutes.
Yeah, where is she? Right, I had my phone now. I'm going to turn this stupid thing on again. Oh, there we go. The light came back. Oh, great. So now what? Well, I guess all we're gonna do is... Haha! What's good, stupid children? Wait, what the heck?
Oh,
Big
no.
Bird? Big Bird? What the heck? What the heck? Big Bird, we literally just kicked you out of the house. Yeah, and I came back, you idiot. I mean, duh, I live here.
Oh, no.
Wait, were you the one who caused the power outage? Yep, it was me. And now it's time for me to kill y'all. Oh no, Big Bird, you don't have to do that.
Yeah, you don't have to do that. Yeah, you don't have to do that.
Yeah. Too bad, so sad. I'm going to kill y'all. And I'm going to become a serial killer. Oh no, don't do that. Are you crazy? Yeah? Yeah, a little. I mean, all I want is just for all the video games in this house to be mine. I don't want none of you guys to play it, only me and my friends. Listen to yourself, you're crazy! Oh yeah, well guess what? I don't care. I idolize video games. Haha! Wait, what the heck? You idiot, that's a toy knife. Oh no, that can't be. Oh. Oh. 1v1 me at club? 1v1 me in real life? Yeah, let's fight! Let's go! Okay, leave me alone! Leave me alone! No! Enough! Yeah! Alright, kids, get off him. Oh no, the pigs! You're in very deep trouble, young man. What? No, I don't want to go to jail. Well, you should have thought of it before committing those actions. No. How dare you do that to these kids? What you think this is? GTA? Assassin's Creed? Call of Duty? Those are some dope games, especially the last one. Oh yeah? Well, get ready to miss it because you're gonna go to jail! Yeah! Come here! Oh, no! Yep, you're going to jail. What? No, get off me! Get off me! Nope! No! I'm gonna take my revenge, stupid kids! I will! Ah! I am shocked.
Me too.
I am shivering so much. I know, right? Me too.
Do you guys want to like play video games or something?
I actually don't really want to.
Me too.
Yes, I'm here. Video games just reminds me of Big Bird. I'm just going to stop playing it for a while. Yeah, same. Well then, I guess we'll just sit here and do nothing.
Sounds like a good idea.
Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah.
Mm.